In today's video, I'm going to teach you to take photo from video in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a crisp still image from any clip, save it with the right settings, and get it ready for sharing or editing elsewhere. First, open CapCut on your device and head to your project workspace. If you're starting fresh, create a new project. Next, import the video you want to pull a photo from. You can do this by clicking the import button and selecting your file. Once the video appears in your media bin, drag it down into the timeline. This places your clip where you can edit and navigate it frame by frame. Now move the playhead, that vertical line in the timeline, to the exact moment you want to capture. You can scrub through the footage by dragging the playhead and you'll see the frame update in the preview window above. Take your time here. The quality of your still depends on choosing the precise frame. If the moment you want is very quick, zoom in on the timeline so the frames are easier to target and make small adjustments until the preview shows the exact image you want to save. With the frame selected, look at the preview window and click the three dots in its corner. From the menu that appears, choose Export Still Frames. CapCut will generate a still image based on the frame you're currently viewing. When the export dialog opens, give your image a clear, memorable name so you can find it later. Then choose your resolution. Higher resolution will produce a sharper image, which is great for printing or detailed graphics, while lower resolution works fine for quick sharing and smaller file sizes. Next, pick your format. PNG is typically best if you want maximum quality and fewer compression artifacts. JPG can be smaller in size and is fine for most everyday uses like social media. Once you've set the name, resolution, and format, confirm your export location if prompted, then hit Export. CapCut will save the still image to your chosen folder. After the export finishes, you can open the file to double-check that the photo matches the frame you selected and that the quality looks good for your needs. That's all there is to it. You've imported your video, placed it on the timeline, chosen the perfect frame, and exported a clean still image with the right settings. If you need multiple photos from the same clip, just repeat the process by moving the playhead to the next moment and exporting again.